For All Mankind Season 5 teaser reveals Martian frontier Apple TV plus critically acclaimed space drama. For All Mankind is gearing up for its fifth season, set to premiere on March 27, 2026. A newly released teaser trailer offers a first look at the show's ambitious leap forward. A fully established Martian colony grappling with Earth's growing interference. Alternative history takes root on Mars the series. Created by Ronald D. Moore, Matt Walpert, and Ben Nedivy, began in 2019 by reimagining the space race as a continuous competition. Unlike real-world history, For All Mankind posits a scenario where the Soviet Union landed the first human on the moon in 1969, sparking decades of continued space exploration. This alternative timeline has driven the narrative through escalating missions and geopolitical tensions. The upcoming season picks up after the Goldilocks asteroid heist, which dramatically accelerated Mars colonization. Happy Valley, now a thriving settlement with thousands of inhabitants, serves as a launching pad for deeper solar system ventures. However, this expansion isn't without friction. Earth-based nations are now imposing law and order on the Red Planet, creating conflict between the Martian colonists and their former rulers. First look, Motorbikes on Mars. The teaser trailer features astronaut Ed Baldwin, Joel Kinnaman, delivering a foreboding message. Everything that's happened has led to this moment. You're gonna do things people can't even fathom. The clip also shows Alex Poltov Baldwin speeding across Martian dunes on a futuristic motorbike. A striking visual that highlights the show's commitment to realistic, yet advanced, space settlement. Key cast and amp. Production. The ensemble cast includes Toby Kebbell, Eddie Gathegi, Cynthia Wu, Coral Pena, and Ren Schmidt. New additions include Myril Enos, Costa Ronan, Sean Kaufman, Ruby Cruz, Inez Asurson, Barrett Carnahan, and Tyler Labine. Matt Walpert and Ben Nedivy serve as showrunners and executive producers, alongside Ronald D. Moore and Meryl Davis of Tall Ship Productions. Sony Pictures Television produces the series for Apple TV+. Episodes will roll out weekly on Fridays, culminating on May 29, 2026. The series' success lies in its blend of historical plausibility and speculative fiction, making it a compelling watch for space enthusiasts and drama fans alike. This latest season promises to further explore the complex political and social realities of a fully colonized Mars.